In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to use an ice pack inside a lunch bag to keep the food fresh until lunch. I'm going to explain how they work and when you might need to add a second ice pack in there. Hey, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I am so excited that you are here. On this channel, I share tons of school lunch ideas and I also answer all of your how to pack questions. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when a new video is released every week. Now, first, you've probably wondered if ice packs work at all, right? The short answer is that some do the job of keeping the food fresh better than others. I should tell you that adding an ice pack inside of the lunch bag will never be the same thing as keeping the lunch inside of the refrigerator. The job of the ice pack is just to regulate the temperature inside of the bag and keep it cool once zipped. This is going to help the food that you packed in the lunchbox remain at a safe to eat temperature as well as keep everything fresh. Now, I did say that some ice packs are better than others for different foods and style bags, so make sure to check my ice pack review, which I'm going to link for you in the description box. Now, the age-old question of do you put the ice pack on top of the lunchbox or at the bottom? Well, the best place to put an ice pack is near the food that you're trying to keep cool. So whether you place it on top of the lunch container or under it, there is no right or wrong place to put it as long as it's in there. Now, if your lunch bag has a lot of items and you can stand one right up against the wall or you can put it in between the foods. The bigger the ice pack, the cooler it usually will keep the temperature inside of the bag and the longer. Now, if keeping foods like meat, cheese, or yogurt chilled is a concern, make sure you place them really close to the ice pack or consider wrapping them in a flexible ice pack. Now, before I share how long an ice pack keeps food cold and when to use a second one, I wanted to share with you this free printable for a lunchbox builder that it's going to help you pack lunches quickly with ingredients that you have on hand. So if you need it, grab your copy in the description box below. Now, when you put an ice pack inside of an insulated lunch bag, you are adding another layer of temperature control for your food. Now, most ice packs will keep the food inside the lunch bag chilled at or near the temperature it was when you packed it, between 4 and 6 hours without it going bad. Now, this is one reason that I often recommend packing lunches the night before, keeping them in the fridge ready, so in the morning, all you have to do is transfer them from the cold fridge to the lunch bag and simply add an ice pack. Now, most kids' lunch bags are in a classroom or temperature controlled hallway or in a locker, so one ice pack should be enough. But if the lunch bag sits outside and it's warm, or you're watching this video for summer camp lunches, I recommend that you add more than one ice pack inside of the lunch bag, or if you have one of these freezable lunch bags where the walls have a built-in ice pack, I would even consider adding an additional ice pack inside of here to keep the temperature controlled from the heat outside. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to watch this next video. See you next time.